In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get the bold glamour filter on TikTok. So let's just dive straight into the video. Now, the first thing we have to do is obviously go open up TikTok. Now, once in here, tap on search on the top right, and then search for bold. Now, you really only have to type in the first couple of letters and it should come up automatically. So now I can go tap on bold glamour filter. Now it should come up automatically as an effect. However, if it doesn't, you can actually tap into an existing TikTok from another account like this one. And then right here, we have the filter that they're currently using. So now I can go tap on this one and then tap on use this effect. Now that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Then you can go and start using the filter. And just one really awesome thing about this filter, or I guess whether or not it's awesome or not, is that this actually uses machine learning and AI to kind of distort your face instead of like a filter overlap of your face. So that's mainly one of the reasons why it's gaining so much popularity on TikTok. So now I can go record the video, take a selfie, or whatever you'd like to do. So that's pretty much how you can get the bold glamour filter on TikTok. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.